In this video, we will understand the concept of LCM and HCF. Now, LCM is a very important topic and usually kids get confused with the concept of LCM. So, we'll break it very slowly and try to understand it in a better way. So, when I say the word LCM, it means least common multiple. It means it is that number which will come in the table of the given 2 or 3 or whatever numbers we are given. For example, if let's say we get the number 3 and 6. So if the numbers are 3 and 6, I have to find a least number which will come in the table of 3 as well as 6. So 6 ones are 6, 6 comes in the table of 3 also and 6 also. So LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. Now, how do we use it in the questions? So, for example, if I have something like this, 1 by 3 plus 4 upon 6. Now, LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. What should I multiply to 3 to get 6 then? So, it is 2. So, I will multiply this with 2 as well as this with 2. So, this will become your 2 plus. To this 6, what should I multiply to get 6? So it is 1. So I will multiply this also with 1. So this is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6 upon 6. So my answer is 1. So this is how you use LCM in the normal questions. Now this was a small question where the numbers were really small. Now in case the numbers are big, how do we calculate LCM and HCF? Now, let us see if the numbers are more, if the numbers are big, how do we calculate LCM? So, if the numbers are big like 12, 15, 21, such kind of numbers, how do we calculate the LCM? The simple way is to go by the method of prime factorization. So, we write all of them like 12, 15 and 21 together and we start doing the prime factorization. Now for prime factorization, we should start with the smallest prime numbers possible. In this case, 2 is not 2 is possible, very much possible. So we will take 2 here and we'll divide this. So 6 2s are 12. 15 and 21 will not get affected by 2. So we will write them as it is. Then we have again 2. So I can take it here as 3, 15 as it is, 21 as it is. Now 2 will not be able to divide any of these numbers. So we will take 3 then. So 3 will divide all of them. That is 1, 5 and 7. Now we will go for 5. So 1, 1, 7 and we go for 7. So it is 1, 1, 1. So the moment we get 1, 1, 1 in like the last now as the last number, we'll just multiply all of these to get the LCM. So LCM will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So let's just see, this is 6, this is 10. So 6 sevens are 42. So 420 is the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. Let us understand the concept of HCF. HCF is highest common factor. It means it is the highest number which will divide all the given numbers to us. So for example, if the numbers are let's say 6 and 20. Now 6 comes in the table of which all numbers? So it comes in the table of 2 or 1, 2 and 3 and 6. So 6 comes in the table of 1, 2, 3 and 6. Similarly, 20 comes in the table of 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Now from these two sets, which is the highest number which is common in both of them? It is 2. So the HCF or highest common factor for 6 and 20 is 2. Now let us take the concept of LCM and HCF for a given set of numbers. So again we have taken the number 12, 15 and 21. So previously we have solved them for LCM with the prime factorization method. Now in this case also we'll do the same thing, but we'll do them separately. So for example, 12 here is 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. So in the case of 12, I can write this 12 as 2 square into 3 to the power 1 into 1. Similarly, we'll go for 15. So 15 is 3, 5, 5, 1. So in case of 15, we will write 15 as 3 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1 into 1. Then comes 21. So 21 is 3, 7, 7, 1. So 21 is 3 to the power 1, 7 to the power 1 into 1. Now for calculating the LCM, always remember that LCM is the product of greatest power of each prime factor. So we have to take the greatest power of each prime factor. Here 2. So we have 2 here, but we don't have it here and here. So we'll take the greatest power here. That is 2 square into. Now 3 to the power 1, 3 power 1, 3 power 1 is same in all of them. So 1 is the highest power. So we'll take 3 power 1 into 5. Now 5 is not available here, not available here, but still it is there for 15. So we will take 5 power 1 and similarly 7 power 1. So when we multiply, this is again 2, 10, 6, this is 420. So 420 is the LCM for 12, 15 and 21. Now for HCF, the HCF is the product of the smallest power of each common factor. Remember, here you just have to take the common factor. So common factor in 12, 15 and 21 is just 3. So the HCF for 12, 15 and 21 will be 3 to the power 1, which is equal to 3. So in this way you can calculate HCF and LCM of given numbers. Remember one thing, the product of the numbers, that is multiplication of all of these numbers, will be equal to HCF into LCM. So remember, LCM into HCF will be equal to product of numbers. This is a very important result. So in this way you can solve more and more questions of LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF are very important concepts when it comes to mathematics.